Hey, it's Glen with Warmboard here, and I'm in beautiful Westfield, New Jersey at a Warmboard R. That's our overlay panel project. And actually this project also is using our Warmboard Comfort System. So let's go inside and take a peek and talk with Steve Falana of Radiant Heating LLC and see how the install's going. All right, so here we are in the mechanical room. I have with me here Steve Falana from Radiant Heating LLC out of Point Pleasant, does a lot of work for us. So Steve, you've been doing this a long time, man. Done a lot of radiant systems and whatnot. What do you think about the Warmboard Comfort System as far as the installation goes?
Easiest system I've ever installed, right? We've been doing this 20 plus years. We built our own floors. We've done gypcrete, slab, staple up, all that stuff. This is by far the easiest system to install. Everything's engineered for you. Follow the plan, and it's easy as 1, 2, 3.
Now, what do you, in terms of timing, if this was a normal sort of, traditional radiant, let's say, this is a traditional radiant home, you got this size project, what kind of time would it have taken you if it wasn't for the Warmboard Comfort System?
We're probably here for a good 2.5, 3 months, right? By the time we actually put the floors down, our custom floors, or stapling plates up, or tracks, it takes weeks to shoot a track up and sit and shoot 20,000 screws. But, we don't have to do that. If we're doing gypcrete or something like that, the downtime's on, the guy from the gypcrete factory setting the floor, pouring the floor, waiting for it to cure. There's no lag time here. We can work right through construction. All trades can work through construction without a problem because the Warmboard panels are so durable and reliable. They don't really get damaged and you don't have to worry about any not working on the floor.
So 3-4 weeks the old way. How long is this going to take you? You're in and out of this project and what kind of time frame?
8 days.
8 days.
8 days, right?
8 days, soup to nuts.
Good preparation, have your stuff together. 8 days, you're in and out of here.
Okay. And the boiler itself went in, no problem? I mean, piece of cake, just like advertised?
Yeah, we put a couple pieces of wood up. I shot a little bit of blocking up, 4 screws, a couple of lags. Throw it on the clips, the boiler was up in an hour, right? Very simple, very easy. The piping, we can build the manifold, the manifold where all the T's and the takeoffs are in about 6 hours. Shoot it up, and then took me about 4 hours to pipe the boiler back to the manifolds. And another 4 hours to do all the incidentals like the relief valve, the flues, the vents, gas, electric, things like that. A solid, good day for a couple of guys down here, and you're getting this boiler up and going.
And as far as the cost goes, obviously if it takes you 8 days versus a month, obviously the customer's paying a heck of a lot less labor rate, right, to get this system in.
Labor rate is definitely down. I would say the customer probably saves about 35% on this type of system, upfront installation cost versus traditional radiant. And then you factor in the fact that it runs at such a low temperature, they're saving money the whole time they're operating the system, right? We run radiant systems anywhere from 120 to 150 based on application. This one we set today at 105.